Let's go over how to add and track accounts payable. First things first, you're going to navigate to the Payments tab at the top of the menu. When you mouse over Payments, you have the option of selecting Expenses, which will take you to the landing page for your payables. Navigating to the menu on the left side of your screen underneath the Expenses setting, you will find the Bill section and a plus sign to the right. Select this. From the New Bill landing page, you have several fields to fill out. Start by selecting your vendor. This can be an existing vendor that you added previously, or if it's a new one, simply utilize the Add New feature. The Payment Method tab is perhaps the most important. We recommend using the email option here as a safe and secure way to pay your bills. When this option is selected, the vendor will receive an email from FINSYNC on your behalf, prompting them to select whether they want a physical check or a direct deposit via transfer. Using this option prevents either party from having to share secured banking information with one another. Once you've made your vendor selection, you have the option of entering in an account number that you may have, the particular invoice number for the bill you're paying. The for line functions the same way as a memo line on a physical check, and bill date would refer to the date you received the bill. The due date, of course, is when that bill is due. Feel free to change these fields as needed. The account section here is where you have the ability to categorize the bill for tracking and reporting purposes. The drop-down feature allows you to search for a number of preset options, and if needed, you can add new account categories by using the Add/Edit Categories button. If you choose to add a new one, be sure to fill out and follow all prompts. Be sure to enter the exact amount for the bill, and you do also have the option of uploading a file of the bill you're paying to ensure there's no confusion between you and the vendor. Lastly, you do have the option of making this a recurring bill. And you have the option of finding a visual representation of your payables data by utilizing the Charts tab located in the top menu. You'll now be on the landing page for all of the graphical representations of your payables.